Professional athletes are not paid too much. We've all heard the saying that time is money. Now, just because a sports season only lasts between 4 and 7 months, athletes are dedicating nearly every day in their off season to train individually, to train with their team, to practice, and to doing interviews with the media. Now, a professional athlete's career really only lasts until the age 33, sometimes higher, sometimes lower. But a professional athlete has so much time after in their life, after their career, that I think that the money that they make during their career is kind of like their retirement plan for after. There are a lot of professional players that actually don't make enough money to sustain them till the rest of their life. And so I think that the money is really to just help them with the time that comes after, because it's not a job that you can do for the rest of your life. Now, people are paying for the entertainment. Bleacher Report said between ticket sales, television, and radio deals, advertising, and merchandise sales, professional sports is one of the most profitable businesses in the world. Now, because the business is bringing in so much money, I think it's only fair for them to be able to really distribute that money to the players that are helping bring in that revenue and making the business so successful.